And today we are doing a grand unboxing from Little Prince Nurseries, one of my favorite nurseries in the United States. I love when a box arrives, but I especially love when a box arrives that says, "Hi, Bree." Thanks everybody at Little Prince. All right, so are you ready?
Yeah.
I will say their packaging is the most exquisite that I have ever seen. Oh my gosh, there's nothing damaged and it's absolutely incredible. Where do we start? All right, plant number one. The packaging is so great, nothing has any damage to the foliage, all the soil is in place. It's incredible. And this is Daikia. I love Daikias. These are really, really easy to grow and they will pup so you can keep dividing them. So there's plant number one. I am so impressed with the packaging. Here you go, you can take that stuff off. You can really tell that they put a lot of time and effort into being able to package this so that there's no damage in transit. I've spent more than a decade of my nursery career working in mail order, and I can tell you one of the hardest things about transporting plants across the country is this part. You want the plants to arrive in perfect condition, and Little Prince has definitely figured that out.